Hi, my name is Todd Beaver, and today I'm going to show you how to get an estimate from our collision center using only your phone. As you'll notice, this handy card has a QR code that you can scan to bring you to our estimate tool. You have a few options. You can book an appointment directly, or you can pick online estimate to start an easy and streamlined process without having to come into the dealership. This chat box will walk you through the entire process step by step. You'll start out by filling in basic information like your name. In today's example, we are using Bob Smith. The next step helps us get accurate information about your car. We need the VIN, and there are two options. You can fill it in manually, or you can scan it and it will upload the information automatically. To scan it, you can find the information on your driver's side door, and all you need to do is point your phone and line it up with the guidelines provided. The system will automatically populate your car's information. Then it will ask you about damage locations. You'll select where the car is damaged, and then we'll guide you through the process of taking pictures of the damage. You'll notice there are handy outlines that will help you frame the vehicle correctly, as well as guidelines for the damage locations on the car. Once you submit all the pictures needed, you'll be able to write out any comments or concerns. If you will be submitting an insurance claim, press yes, and your personal estimator will guide you through that process. The last step is telling us where to send your estimate. Submit your email or phone number if you prefer a text, and you are all done. Our team will review all the information you submitted and be in touch shortly with an estimate and further instructions.